There was a farmer who had a huge piece of land near the sea coast. For quite some days, he had been desperately wanting to hire a farm help for himself. He had advertised all across and he was getting in a lot of people who were interested in doing the job. Once he showed them the piece of land and interviewed, everybody rejected. The reason was very simple. They said since the piece of land is at the sea coast, there was a possibility of storm, and once the storm comes in, it would destroy the houses, the buildings and the farm as well. So everybody with the same reason rejected and moved out. The farmer was getting a little distressed. And one fine day, in the afternoon, he gets to see a person who was short in height and well over his mid-40s. He comes over the interview and the farmer asks only one question: how good you are at the farm? And the person nicely smiled and said, "Sir, I can sleep when the wind blows." The farmer was a little amused with the answer. He could not understand what was the logic of that sentence. But since he was so desperate, he hired him. And from the very next day, the short little man started working from the dawn till the dusk. Throughout the day, he kept himself busy with the scores of work which were there at the farm. And the farmer was very satisfied. He could see the progress happening at the farm. He was very happy with his hiring, and the days passed by. One night, when the farmer was sleeping very peacefully, he heard the winds howling. And with a startle, he got up. He grabbed a lantern and rushed out from his house. And he went and knocked at the servant quarters where this farm help was living. He went inside and he saw that the help was sleeping very peacefully. He went and shook him up. Come on, get up. Can't you hear the winds blowing? The storm which is coming up. Let's go and secure the farm, else everything else will fly." And the help nicely tumbled across and he said, "Sir, I told you earlier, I sleep when the storm comes or when the wind blows. So currently, please allow me to sleep." The farmer got very angry. He just wanted to fire him then and there. But he kept quiet because there was other important things to do. He moved out and the first thing which he visited was where the haystacks were lying. With the thought, because haystacks would fly immediately. The moment he reached there, he was so pleasantly surprised that all the haystacks were nicely kept in one over other and nicely secured with the tarpaulin, well tied up. He was very happy to see that. But then he rushed to the cows and he saw the entire cows were in the barn, nicely in their place, and their fodder was also kept in. He then rushed to the poultry just to see whether the hens were in place or not. And he was again very pleasantly surprised that the hens were also in proper place. Then he rushed to see whether some doors or the shutters were open or not. And he found all the shutters down, the doors locked securely. There was nothing which could fly away because of the storm. That was the time when he realized what the help had said, that he could sleep peacefully when the wind blows. With a smile on his face, he went back to his house, pulled over his blanket, and he slept peacefully in the night. My question to all of you is, can we sleep when the wind blows? In these testing times, turbulent times, whatever we have learnt in our life, have we applied them mentally, spiritually, and physically? Friends, if we would have applied, or if we are applying all the learnings on these three aspects, mentally, spiritually, and physically, there is no reason for us to be afraid. We shall tide over these turbulent times. If we have not done that, can we start from today? Can we ensure that we are mentally strong, spiritually we are connected, and physically we are taken care of? Let's all put in our efforts so that we can sleep when the wind blows. Thank you so much. I would eagerly look forward for your comments and your encouragement.